Hey friends, it's Bayside Bruce here with Gulf Coast Home Loans, right here on the Bolivar Peninsula. Today, I'm going to answer the most asked mortgage questions I get from home buyers, homeowners, and investors all across Texas, all right here in this one video. So grab your coffee or maybe a margarita, relax, and let's dive in. What types of home loans do you offer? Well, at Gulf Coast Home Loans, we shop over 280 wholesale lenders to find the best fit for you, including conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, jumbo, and specialty programs like DSCR loans for investors and reverse mortgages. Do you help first-time buyers? Absolutely. We specialize in first-time buyer programs. It's one of my favorites to do. That includes down payment assistance and even zero down options when you qualify. What's the minimum credit score needed to buy a home? It depends on the program. FHA allows down to 580, sometimes even lower with compensating factors. Conventional, it has been around 620, although there's talk that they're removing that number. But we'll review your full profile before deciding what works best for you. So, can I buy a home if I'm self-employed? Yes, of course. We have bank statement and asset-based loans designed just for self-employed buyers. Do you offer reverse programs? Yes, we offer HECM reverse mortgages that help homeowners 62 and older eliminate their mortgage payment and free up retirement cash flow, all while keeping ownership of the home. What are closing costs and how much are they? That's a good question. They usually run anywhere from 2 to 4% of the purchase price, and they include things like lender fees, title fees, and escrow. We'll estimate those clearly so there are no surprises at closing. You'll get a rundown of a fee sheet to see what all those fees are. What's the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval? Another great question. Pre-qualification is a quick estimate based on what you've told me, but pre-approval means we've verified income, credit, and assets. And it's what sellers want to see before accepting an offer. How long does it take to close a loan? Typically, closings take about 25 to 30 days, but we've closed in as little as 2 weeks when you have a motivated seller and motivated buyer. What's a 2-1 buy down and how does it work? Well, it's a temporary rate reduction, 2% lower the first year and 1% lower in the second year. It's often paid by the seller or the builder to help you ease into the payments. Many buyers are taking advantage of this option to purchase the home now, while sellers are motivated to provide that incentive. Buyers who wait may find that those incentives are no longer available, and at the same time, home prices may be going up. So a 2-1 buy down is really popular right now while we have higher rates before they drop. What's a DSCR loan and who is it for? DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. It's designed for real estate investors. We qualify these loans based on the property's rental income and not your personal income. What's the difference between a HELOC and a cash out refinance? Great question. A HELOC gives you flexible access to equity while keeping your existing low interest rate on your home. A cash out refinance, on the other hand, replaces your whole mortgage and you have a new loan with a new rate. But we'll run both to see which one saves you the most, which one's the best option for you. What are the advantages of working with a mortgage broker? I'm glad you asked. That's what I'm offering right here on the Bolivar Peninsula. I'm an independent mortgage broker working under Nexa Mortgage here at Gulf Coast Home Loans. There's a lot of advantages to that. Number one, you're going to work directly with me. Okay, you're going to, from application to closing, all the documents, we're going to be doing everything together. I'm going to explain what's happening from start to finish and be transparent all the way. You're not going to be having 5, 6, 7 different people contact you, this, that, and the other, to get documents from you to process your loan. It's going to be me and my processor working directly with you on your loan. Another great advantage is working with a broker. Unlike with a bank, if you work with a bank, a local bank, or a retail lender, you're going to get their rates. That's what they have. Rates are always changing, but you're going to get what that bank or that retail lender offers. They don't have 280 different options. They don't have that many lenders to go to. So what does that mean for you? It means that if I'm shopping among that many different lenders, they're all competing for your business. So they're always trying to get their rates lower. So it's gonna provide more options, better pricing, lower rates. It's gonna save you money, and you're gonna have one-on-one work and attention directly with me. What's a non-QM loan? Non-QM stands for non-qualified mortgage. These are flexible programs for buyers who don't fit in traditional guidelines, like self-employed borrowers, investors, or retirees using asset income. What's the difference between FHA and conventional loans? FHA is a more forgiving with credit and down payment. It only requires 3.5% down. Conventional loans fits stronger credit, larger down payments, although you can do 3% down if you're a first-time home buyer on conventional. But we'll go over all this and decide which one's the best fit for you. What are VA loans and who qualifies? VA loans are for veterans, active duty service members, some surviving spouses, and they offer zero down and no PMI, no private mortgage insurance, and great rates. It's a great benefit for those of military service. What's a USDA loan? USDA loans are zero down programs for homes in eligible rural or suburban areas, including parts of Galveston County and the Bolivar Peninsula. It's really perfect for qualified buyers based on income and location, and they're typically for primary residents. What's PMI and can I remove it? PMI is mortgage insurance for buyers who put down less than 20%. It can usually be dropped once you reach 20% equity, automatically or by request. Can I buy a second home or vacation property? Absolutely. We finance second homes and vacation properties with flexible terms all the time. And they can also serve as investment or Airbnb homes, depending on whatever your goals are. How can I improve my credit before buying a home? A lot of people find themselves in this situation. You want to keep your balances low, make your payments on time, and avoid new credit. But the best thing is we'll review your credit report together and we'll pinpoint some quick wins and find some ways to increase your credit score. Can I buy after bankruptcy or foreclosure? Yes. It depends on the loan type and how long it's been. I've been able to help many clients rebuild and buy again after they've had financial setbacks. We'll review that. What's the biggest mistake buyers make? I would say waiting too long to talk to a lender. Getting pre-approved early saves you time, it strengthens your offer, it helps you shop smarter, and you don't waste time finding homes that you're not qualified for. Should I wait for rates to drop before buying? Probably not. You can always refinance later if rates fall, but you can't rewind to grab today's prices or those seller incentives that may go away. How do I get started? Schedule a quick consultation with me at consultwithbruce.com. That's consultwithbruce.com. We'll review your goals, your credit, and income, and then we'll map out the best loan options for you. Why choose Gulf Coast Home Loans? Because we live here, we loan here, and we care about every client. We shop hundreds of lenders for you, and we're right here in your community ready to help. And reputation means everything. You're my neighbors, and I want to help you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. And remember, I'm Bayside Bruce. I'm helping Texans and you right here locally. So I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.